So here we have 10 minutes later. It depends on how you want your peppers. If you want it crunchy, you could do it about 5 to 7 minutes. But if you like it a little softer, you could do it for 10 minutes. And in between, you uncover and stir a little to make sure that it's evenly cooked. So now the pepper is pretty much done the way I like it. It's time to add the chicken. But here's the tip. To make the chicken, usually white meat gets very tough under high heat. It gets tough and dry, but I found a way to cook it so that it stays tender. Whoops. And by doing so, what I do is I turn the heat up a little bit higher than medium. Give a little extra boost of heat. And I add the chicken. And start mixing it with the pepper and the onions. No sauce yet. Just cook the chicken with the pepper in higher than medium heat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir it until the chicken is halfway cooked. Halfway, not full. You can kind of tell the texture is half is white and the other is still somewhat raw. You can kind of judge it for yourself. A little bit of chemistry here. So, okay. So like this, halfway. The chicken, one side is cooked and the other side is still raw, halfway. And very high heat. So now I'm gonna cover it up and let it sit for like a minute. And then I'm gonna turn off the heat. So I'm kind of counting right now. That was about, I think that was about 30 seconds ago. So I'm going to wait another 30 seconds so that the heat builds up in the pan. To start up the heat. Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, so now the heat, the remaining heat stays in the pan and it's cooking the chicken. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait 5 minutes to let it sit, and then I'm going to uncover it and stir it so that the bottom of the chicken, that's in the bottom, will get stirred up, and the chicken that was on top will get on the bottom to exchange heat. And then I wait another 5 minutes, and that should be done completely.